Hi everybody, it's garlic harvesting time. I'm here with Bill. I'll show you the garlic. You harvest your garlic when you can see the leaves are turning yellow and they're starting to lay down. Bill's just going to pull them out basically is what it comes down to. See what we got. This is garlic that we replanted from cloves from last year. So we bought garlic a few years ago and haven't had to buy garlic since. How are you looking?
Well, pretty good. They look like a lot like garlic.
That's what, you want your garlic to look like garlic. That's straight from the mouth of the garlic farmer here. Can you show us one up close? Let's see, that's a pretty good sized garlic. Kind of pinkish. Looks healthier than what you see in the stores. So we planted 90, was it 90 garlic bulbs?
Yes.
And we're just finishing up last year's garlic now, right?
Yeah, I have about 5 bulbs left.
And we will, in October or November, replant the garlic from some of these cloves. Bill will choose which ones he wants, which he thinks are the best ones, and replant it in the exact same spot. Garlic, it likes very few plants. Garlic likes to grow in the same place every year. Unless you get a garlic disease, I think there is one. It is extremely rare, at least here in Northeast PA. I think it's rare everywhere. But you're not going to get like blight or anything like that where you have to be concerned about replanting. You will nourish the soil by adding compost to it that we make ourselves from our vegetable scraps, like some of the extra leaves from the garlic will go in the compost, or trimmings from the carrots. So the carrot bed is right next door here. You can see it's gigantic. It needs to be weeded, but we are looking at some pretty good carrots too. But this is the garlic.
You cure them for 3 weeks, and then you put them inside for the winter in a cool spot that doesn't have too much light.
Yeah, we keep them in an unused, like a spare bedroom. Just hang them up in there.
Yeah, I seem to remember that reading that you really don't want to wash them and get them wet.
Right. Like potatoes and a lot of other vegetables that you're going to store over the winter, just, let them dry off. You can brush off the dirt if you want to. You can just brush it off before you go to use them, but don't wash them. Getting a pretty good harvest. This is about half of it so far. Now that all the garlic has been harvested, we're going to cure it for 2 to 3 weeks. You can see it is all in a single layer. We want it to get as much air as possible, keep it out of the elements. This is up on our covered porch. So it will air out and it will dry out. Do not wash it, as we said. Let it just, the way it came out of the garden, let it sit there and then let it get cured. It will do this by itself. If it's exceptionally moist or humid, the next 2 weeks we'll do it for 3. So 2 to 3 weeks, it will dry itself and it will cure enough.